Hi guys, Take James here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a cool homebrew program called IPSP X, and what this is basically a macOS themed GUI browser for your PSP. So the link's in the description. It's just going to bring you to a Google Drive page. You just want to hit this one up here so you can download the whole zip file. Right, once the zip file is downloaded, you just want to right click and put extract here. It's then going to give you this file that just says IPSP X, and this folder is going to go in your game folder inside the PSP folder. So this is a homebrew application, so you must have custom firmware to be able to run this. This isn't actually the macOS operating system. The PSP isn't powerful enough to run that, but this is quite a cool sort of browser, sort of custom thing if you guys are interested in this sort of thing. Right, so as you can see the download's finished, so you just want to check it's on there correctly. Here you go, IPSP X, just make sure it's got all the files and everything's correct.
Right guys, so I'm on my PSP. I'm just going to back out to the home screen, scroll along to game, then memory stick. Right, so here it is, IPSP X. I'm just going to run my Pro update. Right guys, so now we're going to launch it. As you can see, it's in alpha right now. It probably won't get any more updates. I think this is a fairly old homebrew sort of thing. Yeah, so it was updated in 2010, but anyway, let's just check it out. So as you can see, you get Apple boot screen and Apple boot screen sound effect. It looks really cool. Right, as you can see, we're on the sort of desktop now. You can use your little analog stick here to control the mouse. So yeah, let's just have a look at settings. And this seems to be in Spanish actually, so this feature right here is very cool. If you go into applications, it actually shows you what you can run. So if I've got SNES installed, I can run that and it should actually open up the emulator. I haven't actually got it installed on this PSP, so that won't work. You've also got Safari, Paint. You press square when you want to open something by the looks of it. Got some other options down here as well. Dashboard. So it's basically just a customized version of the PSP interface with the Mac interface. It's got a few nice features. You can see our battery percentage up there. It's got the time. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.